Oliver. What you doing? You a good boy? Put some water in your pool. Yeah, you had a muddy mess out here, huh, honey? Yeah, you did. You sure did. It rained and rained, and you love the mud. You love the mud, huh? There's a little mud hole. Yes, I know. I know. It's a good boy. You get in your pool? You get in your pool? Yeah. It's a good boy. Yeah. Tell me all about it, huh? Look at these two. They're watching. Hi, Lulu. Hi, Sweet Pea. And Oliver. Yeah. All kinds of funny noises from a piggy, huh? Yeah. Okay. Let's turn the water off. Let's turn the water off. Let's see what these girls are going to do. They're going to follow me. Everybody wants a cookie. They all want a cookie. I know. Sweet Pea, a cookie. Lulu, cookie. And Oliver. Let's get Oliver some animal cookies. Hi, Oliver. You want a treat? Can you sit? Oh, what a good boy. Good boy. Oh, there you go. Another cookie for you. Yeah. Oh, what a good sit, Oliver. Good boy. Good boy. Another one. See if I can get them in your mouth. I'm trying to hold the phone and the cookies. Let's see. Oh, what a good sit. Oh, Oliver, you're such a good boy. Let's see if I can get it in your mouth. There, down the hatch. Right down the hatch. Oh, what a good sit. Look at you. What a good boy. Okay, down the hatch. Good boy. One more. Another cookie. Oh, look at him sit. You're a good boy, Oliver. Yes. Here. Here it is. Okay, he's looking for it on the ground. There, he got it. Okay. Here, one more. Oh, find it? Good boy. And then the donkey girls. Lulu, you want one? And Sweet Pea. And look at this. Everybody came to see what's going on. The turkeys. There's Thomas and Matilda and all the chickens. Hi, babies. They all came to see what's going on. They've all been hiding in their house today because it was actually kind of hot here in Southern California. The sun is really warm. Hi, babies. Hi. You guys want a treat too, huh? Yeah. I know, I didn't bring your treats. No, I brought Oliver. Yeah, I think Oliver's gonna get in his pool. He's looking at it. You gonna go swimming, Oliver? Let's see. I'll try and catch that if he does. And then these two. Hi, yes. What was that? Cookies, please? More cookies? Oh my goodness. You girls. You girls love your cookies. I know. And Sweet Pea. There, she gets hers too. Oh, I know, Lulu. I know. You're so cute. Look at those ears. Look at those ears. He's the cutest face. Yes. Oh, I know. And look at her. Look at Sweet Pea. Look at that. Yeah, she's a pretty girl. Yeah. Hi, Lulu. Hi. Sweet Pea. And look at these babies here. Shall we go see if you have water? Shall we check your water since it's so warm today? Let's go see. Let's go see. Hi, Thomas. He always stays close to Matilda. Yeah, they all are. Little peeper right there. Okay, let's go over here and see. Come on, everybody. They're all coming. Yes, you're all coming, huh? Yeah. I know. Yeah, they all are following me. Yeah, oh, and Thomas is showing off. Mm-hmm. My babies, they're all coming. Yeah. Hi. Hi, babies. Hi. Well, let's check. Let's check and see if we can give you some water. We fill up the water hole. You love the water hole. Here. That water sounds so funny when it comes on. It's that funny noise. I'll fill up the water hole and see if you girls come. Yeah. Here they all come. They've been hiding today from the sun. They're not used to it. Hi, Matilda. Hi, Thomas Jake. Hi. You like the water? Fill up the water hole? Yeah. Yeah. They like this water better than drinking out of their bowls. They've got their hanging water over there. But they like this water for some reason. What do you think? You like this water? Okay, let me turn it off so you can get in. There. There we go. Babies. Oh, here's our praying mantis right here. Can you see her? She's hanging in here in the garden. There she is. Garden's growing. I had to replant some of it. We still got a little bit of celery left. Lots of new little plants I've got sprouting. And here they all are at the water hole. Let's see if I can get them from over this way. There. They like that. It's so funny. Is that water better? Yeah. Pretty babies. Pretty girls. And Sir Thomas Jake, too. Yes. They're so curious, the turkeys. The way they look at everything, it's so cute. I really enjoy them. They're very different animals than the chickens, but they're just adorable. Babies, pretty girls. Pretty girls. What do you think, Thomas Jake? Matilda? Yeah. It's a nice day. Oh, look at Thomas. Yes, you're beautiful, Thomas. We see your beautiful feathers. Pretty babies. Hi, Thomas. Okay, girls. Matilda. Oh, the sweet babies. Hi, Thomas. I just love watching them. It's so peaceful. Sweet animals. Hi, Thomas. Hi. Hello. They have the cutest faces. Hi, Matilda. Hi. Hello. Hi, Matilda. Pretty girl. Are you going to lay an egg one day? We've been waiting. We've been waiting for her to lay an egg. Yeah, one of these days, huh? Might be hidden out here in the yard somewhere. Maybe. Yeah, pretty girl. Hi, sweetie. She really listens when I talk to her. Pretty girl. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye for now.